In this video, I'm going to show you how to forward calls from Sprint. There's two kinds of call forwarding to be aware of. The first is called unconditional call forwarding, which means your phone will forward calls every single time someone calls. Your phone will never ring. The second is conditional call forwarding. Your phone will ring first, but if you don't pick up, then the call will get forwarded. Think of it as replacing your voicemail. Sprint offers both of these kinds of forwarding. If you have an iPhone, the first step is to go to your settings. Click on Apps at the bottom, then scroll to Phone. Find Live Voicemail and make sure that is toggled off. If you have an Android, you don't need to worry about that step. Next, make sure you know what number you want to forward to. If you're a customer of Up First, our AI receptionist platform, you can find your number at the top of your home screen. I'm going to start with conditional call forwarding. Here's how to set it up so that you forward just your missed calls. Go to your phone's keypad. Type in *74 immediately followed by your Up First number or the number that you want to forward calls to. Press call and wait for the success confirmation message to show up on your screen. Next, repeat the same steps with the code *73, followed by the number you want to forward calls to. Then press call. And then there's one last code. Dial *75, followed by the number you want to forward calls to. And that's it. If you need to turn off conditional call forwarding, just dial these codes. *720, then press call. This will turn off conditional call forwarding. Okay, so now if you want to set up unconditional call forwarding so that all of your calls get forwarded, then you'll want to use these codes instead. Dial *72 followed by the phone number you want to forward calls to, press call, and wait for the success confirmation message. And again, if you want to turn off unconditional call forwarding, just dial these codes. Dial *73. Then press call. This will turn off unconditional call forwarding. And that's how you forward calls from your cell phone to another number. I hope you found this video helpful. You could find more information at our Call Forwarding Help Center article, link in the description.